Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with Stampacrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me today. I have another video of cards that I want to share with you. We have a few 3D items a friend of mine had made, and then the rest we have a big stack of Funfold cards from our team meeting in June. So yeah, I love Funfold cards. So, plus I love 3D things too. Before we get started, just want to let you know that we have some new online exclusives coming, new kits coming on the 4th, so be watching for that. And if you would like to watch future videos, please click subscribe so you don't miss out. All right, excuse me. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to show you a few projects from Kathleen Williams. She loves to make 3D things, and so she had made me an extra set, and I want to share those with you. We have this little popcorn gift box, which is super cute. This paper is, I can't think of the names, but it's in our annual catalog. And then she's got a little thing of Pop Secret popcorn in there. And I love this little guy, No One's Better Than You. He may still be in our clearance rack. I know he's being retired, so he may or may not be. I love these little shoes and glasses. You could use these on a lot of things, other little animals, little fun things. Okay, then she had given me, now these were a while ago, I'm going to admit, I had them sitting with my huge stack of cards to share. This is a little 4th of July treat box, which is super cute. I love this. The candy, it had snacks in there, which have been eaten already. Snacks don't last long here. And it opens up and you put your little snacks in. Isn't that cute? Kat loves making 3D things. And then this was from a little fireworks set that we had not too long ago. And then she made this sweet little lollipop card using the Arches bundle. And then some of the designer paper that we had from Celebration, which I really love this paper. It had all different fruits. And then we have these in the bag, and it looks like they may have been eaten by someone in my house. I don't know who. But isn't that cute? I love that. Okay, so those are from Kat. Well, her name's Kathleen Williams, but we call her Kat. Okay, are you ready for some fun folds? All right, now this was back in June, so you just have to remember that. We used some online exclusives and stuff from the new catalog. All right, let me do this. So this first one is from Mary Harvey, who you may remember loves Halloween as much as I do. And she's got some glitter on the bats. This was one of our online exclusives. Just a sweet little fun fold. Happy Halloween. I love the use of the embossing folder there. So cute. Love this. This is, it may still be an online exclusives. Probably is. Okay, so that was Mary. This is Kathy Weston. Look at all the pieces on this. This is a lot of pieces on this, Kathy. And it's a fun fold. So look at that cute little fun fold. It's just like a little pop-up card. Let's celebrate. And then you do your writing on this side. Love that. I love this set. Love that. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, this is from Carrie Ray. And she's once again used the clear embossing powder, or she may have used packing tape. Sometimes she does that. I can't remember. So this is the fun fold. Isn't that cute? Look at the embossing folder she used on that. This party floral birthday paper is on the clearance rack now. It's such a pretty paper. Okay, Carrie. Then we have, this is from Lori Williams. Cute little fun, oh, it's fun fold. It's a little easel card, I forgot. It's been a while. Isn't that cute? And the pot holds it up. I love that. Lori Williams. Awesome. And she got Wink of Stella on her flowers too. Okay, this is from Tammy Broadway. She used the Cheers and Sips suite as well. Does not have pop-up in it though. That's okay. Cheers and Sips. I love that suite. Okay, this is from Laura Diamond. And she uses that little, it's a set in the annual catalog. I know there's a way to, oh, it pulls this way. Look at all that coloring and sponging and cutting. And then it interlocks. It's called a locking, maybe, it's a locking something. I don't know the names, but see, it locks so it doesn't come open. You open up, you see, this is a great card to do with using all the animals because there's so many in there. So cute. Love it. Gotta get that in there. It's Laura. Okay, this is from Sharon Milburn. Isn't that beautiful? And it opens up. And then that just kind of slides in right there. Love the background. This is some of the new wide washi tape that we have, and the dies cut it out. And I have been wanting that, and it's constantly on back order or out of stock. The dies are constantly out of stock. And then it feels like as soon as the dies come in, then the washi tape is out of stock. I do not have it yet, but I am bound and determined to get that while it's still in the catalog, because this is just gorgeous. And then she's embossed her envelope back as well. Okay, that's Sharon. Okay, here we have Amy Marr, and Amy's done a black and white with a pop of color using the sunflower embossing folder. And then she also has that on the background. So lots of beautiful texture. And then she's done an easel card as well. And I love the rhinestones. So I am a sucker for black and white cards with a pop of color. It's got a little pop of yellow on this. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And then she's got a flower there. And then she's used some black and white gingham paper on the back. That is Amy. Hold on one sec. Let me get rid of this. I am sorry. Okay. This is from Joanne Graham. And she did a lot of stamping on here. She stamped a sheet and then she cut it into strips. So gorgeous, gorgeous. Love that. Love the color choices on that too. Good for all year long. Love that set. I do not have that set. That's pretty. Okay, this is from Carrie Taylor, and she has done an easel card. Isn't that cute? I love how she did a little pocket out of the emboss. So she's got the distressed brick and the flowers showing against the brick, but when you do this, all the flowers just kind of stand up. I love that. So cute. So cute. Lots of texture. This is all, I think these dies are actually on the clearance rack. they left the stamp set, but I don't understand that sometimes, why they will retire dies, but not the stamp set that clearly needs the dies to go with it. I don't know. I don't understand. Okay, this card is from Rita. Isn't that pretty? I love this paper. And she used some twine. We've got some dies and the little butterflies. And then this card folds like this into that little pocket. So it's like, you know, kind of a bay window type of pattern. So it sits up, which is gorgeous. And then it opens up, may all your wishes come true. Love that. I've been wanting to do one of these. So this is a great paper to do it with too. Okay, so that's Rita. And then here is Brenda's. Brenda used this animal set as well. Laura did too. And then she's got a little, Brenda did. Oh my gosh, so much coloring on this card. So much coloring and stamping. Oh my goodness, so cute. Look at that. It's a little flip card. It's your day, go wild. And then even on the inside, I am impressed with how much, and then on the envelope, I am impressed with how much coloring Brenda did on this. So Brenda Fasulo, if I didn't say her last name, Brenda Fasulo. So cute. That's a great kids card too. I'm gonna have to save that one. Save that one in Laura's because that's a good kids card. Okay, and then this was mine. I have my name. Sometimes I forget what cards I made. So of course I love Halloween, and I did a little pull-up card for my fun fold. So I used the Sweet Halloween paper and then the die cut sheet. And it just says all tricks, or no tricks, all treats. I'm going to say all tricks, no treats. But I love doing a little interactive moving card. So those are our cards today. So many awesome projects, cards and 3Ds. My team has the best swaps. I tell them, and I'm telling you, my team has the best swaps. I love it. All right. Well, thanks everybody. And then if you join me on my team this year, last month, you get to participate in team swaps if you want. So if you live out of town, that's okay. You are welcome to mail your swaps to me before our meeting, and then I'll send them back. So, yeah, love our swaps, love my team, and I will see you back here. I have one more set of cards to show you on the 3rd, and then I should be back to live videos by then. So I will see you on the 3rd. Don't forget to click subscribe if you don't want to miss out on future videos, and we'll see you soon. All right, bye everyone.